Yeah, it's June in South Carolina. What else would you expect, right? A daily chance for afternoon and evening thunderstorms. That's going to continue to be a part of our forecast today and going into the early part of next week. Along with the heat and humidity continuing, our risk of severe weather continues to go down while our chance for storms continues to go up. Right now, though, it's Sunday at 8:47. No rain, neither any clouds or any advisories are showing up on the map. We have a clear blank slate right now this morning. That certainly wasn't the case yesterday. This was Saturday at about 3:30 in the afternoon. We did have a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Greenville County. This is way up in the northern part of the county, up near the North Carolina state line. There was a report of tree damage in Tigerville, very close to Glassy Mountain. This was about 3 miles northeast of Tigerville at the intersection of Highway 101 and Scenic Highway 11. That's the road that runs along the foot of the Blue Ridge Mountains. There was a tree down on a power line up there. That was the only report of storm damage that we had yesterday. There was also some flooding going on in southeast North Carolina, and we did see some more severe thunderstorm warnings show up in the upstate and parts of North Carolina. That will continue to be our theme this afternoon and for the first part of next week. Right now, though, the heat index is in the upper 70s for many locations in the west, lower 80s for people in the east, and that's relatively cool from where we have been over the last couple of days since that heat wave came to an end. But don't worry, though, because temperatures this afternoon will continue to rise up into the mid to upper 90s, and we'll continue to see that storm chance increase after, say, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And the winds continue to pick up in the afternoon at about southwest 5 to 10 miles per hour. And so our forecast for 6 o'clock in the evening tonight, we're going to see daily chances for afternoon and evening thunderstorms continue to spread across the Carolinas. It's not a guarantee that it will be in this exact location, but just kind of get the moral of the story that scattered thunderstorms will be in the forecast this afternoon and tonight. UV index will be extreme every day this week except for Wednesday, because that's when the storm chance is going to be a little bit higher than usual. Not saying that we're going to see severe thunderstorms on Wednesday, but the UV index will certainly drop down to 7 during that time. Otherwise, we're at an 11, and so skin will burn between 10 to 15 minutes being outside without any protection. And not only is that storm chance on Wednesday going to bring our UV index down, it's also going to bring our temperatures down. In fact, we might not make it to 90 degrees on Wednesday because of that elevated storm chance, although the UV index will certainly get close to 100 either way because it will definitely be humid. And then look at this on Friday, just in time for our 4th of July Independence Day holiday. We get sunshine, storm chances are lower than 20%. It's also going to be the hottest day of the week, too. Temperatures are going to be up near 96, and the UV index will certainly be up near 105 during that time. And then next weekend, here comes the storm chance rolling around yet again. Temperatures in the upper 90s, storm chances return, humidity returns, and so do the high UV index numbers.